Ian here from Funner Computer. It's come to my attention that in some browsers like Firefox that I have open here, that the X and Y coordinate system does not work. As I move the mouse around, the X and Y do not update and they stay stuck at 0, 0. Well, we're going to fix that with an in-game solution. And here's how we're going to do that. If we right-click on the background and go to Edit Script, copy the asset. Yes, we definitely want to save a copy. And we want to change just this one. And now here is the script for the background. It does not react to physics, you can't push it around, it doesn't fall due to gravity. And post constantly means that every animation frame, it's going to be put back in the XY position of the camera. So we're going to do exactly the same thing, but with a text field, and here's how it works. If we select the post constantly, and we're going to copy and paste, that's Control C, then Control V on PCs, and Command C, Command V on Macs. Make a copy of that, and down here, we're just going to change myself. So select that, and then you can hit the delete key, and this one, delete. Okay. Now, what do we put in there? Well, we have to create something first. So we go to Events, and when the level starts, we can drag this over here. And what are we going to create? A text field. Go to Draw, and create new text field there. Select this, drag this into here, click. Okay, and let's put hello into the text field. Great. Well, now we need to update this text field, so we can go to variables, and here we'll see instance of text field. That's what we just created. So we select this, and we're going to copy and paste that, and one of them we'll put here and the other one we'll put here. So now if we play the game just to test it, we should see hello in the upper left hand corner, which we do, and it follows along with the camera. Okay, so that's exactly what we want, but we want to now change the text so that it will tell us what the X and Y position of the mouse is. Alright, here's how we do that. Okay, we're going to need a couple of new blocks. So we're going to go to Draw, and we're going to go to Set Text of Instance Text Field 2. And we click on that, and let's bring this over here. And we're going to need, let's bring this over here. And then we're going to need, let's see if we go to Operators, and we scroll down to Text. Okay, we're going to need Create Text With, and we're going to put this over here, but we're going to need 4 of them. So copy and then paste, paste, paste. Okay, so this goes here, that goes here, and this one goes here. So it should look like that. Alright, this is all putting text together into one long sentence. Alright, what do we want? We want some text first of all. Select this, and we need 3 of these. So we copy and paste, paste. And here we're going to say X colon space. And then on this one it will be Y colon space. And on this one we'll do comma space. Okay, the X we'll put here at the top. The comma we will put here in the middle. And the Y we'll put here just above. Now we still have 2 empty slots here. So we're going to get, if we go to, is it Operators, no, it's Sensing. This is what it is. In Sensing, we want the position of mouse plus camera. Okay, So we select that, and we're going to copy and paste. And one of them we're going to keep at X, and the other one we're going to drop down and select Y for both. Okay. Now this is going to give us a number, potentially with a very long decimal place. So we don't really want lots of decimal places. We just want a nice round number, an integer without any decimal places. So luckily we can do that. We go to operators, and we go and we see this round here. That's not about shape, that is about rounding off a number. Okay, so we're going to copy and paste this, and we're going to put one of them before this, and the other one we'll put before this one. Okay, now the X one we're going to put in that empty spot. The round we'll put in this empty spot, and all of this we'll drag to here. Great, almost there. We now need to add this entire block to the post constantly block. And now when we play, notice in the upper left it no longer says hello, but it gives you an actual X and Y coordinate of the mouse, and it follows you along as you play. It gives you a realistic placement for the mouse. Now, it would be great if in Firefox the X and Y coordinate system worked well, but if it doesn't, this should work just fine. Now, what do we do with this? Well, if we click on the script properties, we can change the title of this with X, Y coordinates and give it a description. Okay, and then we're done, and we can close this. Do we want to save? Yes, we definitely want to save. And now if we go over to the scripts, we should have a background. I'm not sure why that didn't save the name, but this is the background. Let's double click on this with X, Y. Okay. And it adds a number to the end. Okay. Save, yes please. There we go. Now we have this background that works. If I click on this and then click on the background, notice that the color up here changes, and then I can play, and there are the coordinates in my game. Fantastic. Then if later on I am done with that, I can go to my normal background script, attach that to the background, and then play, and nothing is in the upper left hand corner. I'm back to normal. Alright, thank you for listening.